Hello, lovely people. I am going to show you how we can use this website called makebeliefcomix, which is a comic strip. And I know a lot of you really like comic strips, so this is a way that you can create your own story. So this is a comic that I have already started. I've clicked into this one and I've added a background, I've added the people, and I've added what they're going to say. Now, when this is red, this border, that means that I am working in this square. So if I click into this one, I'm going to work in this square now. I'm going to come down the bottom here and I'm going to decide which areas I'm going to look at. So we have some comic starters. We have some characters over here. We have some balloons and some thought bubbles. There are some objects, some masks, some backgrounds, a background color, and then it looks like there are some words that you could have. There's lots of different things that you can add to your comic, so you can just have a look through and decide what you want in your comic. So because I'm working in this red square, I'm going to decide to change my background. Since he's on the beach, I could decide to keep it on the beach, or maybe he could move into an aquarium. So he's going to be in an aquarium now. I'm just going to make sure that that whole square is all lined up. Now, as you can see down the bottom, there's a little bit that I can see coming out. So if I want to make it bigger, I'm going to click on scale. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe not super, super big. Big enough that it fills up the whole screen. Cool. So I have my background now. Now, who am I going to add to my story? I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go back to my characters. And so far in my story, I have a robot boy and I have a robot dog. So I might add my robot boy, and he can be wondering. So maybe he's at the aquarium and he's just wondering about something. If I want to make him smaller, I can hit the scale and that is going to make him smaller. So he's not super, super big. And if I want to move him again, I'm going to come back over and click this move. Awesome. These are some other options. So if you want to bring something to the front, if I want the background to be brought to the front, you can do that so that he disappears. If I want to flip it, I can click on that and then it will go the opposite way. So I'm going to put his, since he just disappeared, I'm going to put him back in there and I'm going to make sure he is a little bit smaller. Oh, no, wrong one. I'm going to click on him and try and make him a little bit smaller. There we go. So he's going to be wondering. Now, next we have to decide what is he going to be wondering. So I'm going to come back over here, go back to my main menu, and I'm going to click on the balloons and prompts. This is where I'm going to decide how much writing am I going to put in here. So over here, I'm going to pick a really big box because I might have him wondering lots of things. So maybe I'll even make the box a little bit smaller. So if I press scale and click onto it, I should be able to just make it a little bit smaller. Then we come back to move. Now I have to decide, what is he going to be wondering? So if I click on the box, I can then start typing. Awesome. So that